Morning guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 9, I think. I never know. I just came downstairs because it snowed again. I'm actually like, I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday, but it's supposed to snow like all over like the East Coast. Like, I think it was like from Texas to like Georgia, the Carolinas, you know, like all over the East Coast. And obviously we're from Connecticut, so I'm like, oh, damn, like what a good snowfall. Like I said, like 3 to 5 inches like each time, like during the day and stuff. And then, you know, nothing here, but like it's been snowing like almost every day here, at least like a little bit. So that kind of just makes me happy, and it makes it all worth it. Like, sure, we don't have a big snowstorm, but we're getting snow every day. But I just opened our window and like I knew last night, I told you guys that it was snowing like a little bit. And I knew it was supposed to snow, but like not like completely covering everything snow. Can you guys see the snow falling? Today is actually Saturday, and I'm actually really excited because hopefully if all goes to plan, we should be going to get like our Christmas stuff. And now that I'm thinking about it, I hope they cover the trees. Wilson, did you hear me on? We're supposed to get the trees, but if we decide to go on the outdoor one, then it's gonna be like covered in snow. But again, we're getting a small tree hopefully, and I'm like really happy and I'm really excited to get a little tree. Like I already know more or less decorations that I want to put. Hopefully Ikea doesn't run out, because those are the ones that we're gonna go for this year, you know, just cheap and cute and simple. You can't see us, but we're laying on the stairs together. Look at his little ear. Hey bud. I've been sitting here editing my Malaga video. I'm slightly behind on my posting, but like not terribly, like maybe a day behind. But everything should still go up hopefully on time. I'm thinking of getting this one up today, then tomorrow I'll hopefully get up Palma and maybe a Vlogmas video as well, and after that it's all Vlogmas. But yeah, I've actually really been enjoying like uploading so much because it keeps me like accountable for like posting. Like I've never been just actively posting, you know, my channel. So I think it's a good way to start the year next year, to have such a good streak going of videos and content. I mean, hopefully this is not too boring. If it is, I'm sorry. I'll try to make it more interesting next year. I think it gets like a little bit more interesting every year. Like this year was like our first time like living on our own, so like we have like stuff for the house to show, and just like have more liberty of like filming whenever I want. That doesn't mean my life is gonna get any more exciting, but can you hear him sighing? He's like, why are you talking? John's still sleeping. He actually should still get up because he has grad school stuff to do. So, wait. Okay. Can you see how windy that is? It gets like terribly windy here. Like this is only like during a light shower of snow. But like, listen. Why are you sneezing? Look at that. It wasn't even really supposed to snow. Like, you know. We're about to head out to get our Christmas stuff, and this is what I'm wearing today. Just, ooh, dirty mirror. Just black jeans from Madewell. This is, I think, from Banana Republic. And then my little beret that I just got from Black Friday. I think this one's from Urban Outfitters. Are you gonna be a good boy and stay by yourself? We'll be back. We'll be back with Christmas stuff. Yeah, Christmas stuff. Get it. way to all the Christmassy stuff that we need to get, and the plan is that I just discussed with John is that there is a Christmas like parking lot like tree shop thing that we keep passing by, so I'm like, let's go to that one, see what they have, and see if we want a tree from there. Because we was, like I said, we want a small tree, so we'll see if like the ones that they have there are like good enough for us. If not, then our last stop should be to get the tree from Whole Foods then, because they have like little tabletop trees. But after the tree place near us, we're gonna go to Target to get some house things. Then after, we're gonna go to Ikea to pick up some like Christmas decorations. Hopefully they have some because they were running low on the app. And then the last stop would be to get our tree. Maybe, or tomorrow. Not a big deal. These are cute.
We have that hook on the door.
It's a little cute one. Yeah, we can buy one. What?
That's bigger than the one.
Bigger than what?
The one's out.
I think when we drove by, I saw some little ones in the end. So nice. Maybe we should ask them what are like the smallest trees they have. Whoa, blue tree. They're all so big. I think I saw one like in the beginning though that was tiny. They're still kind of big for my taste. I mean, this one. Huh? Okay, sure. Okay. Like that one.
15.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
So we got a wreath just to support that local tree place. And it's really cute. From Michigan, is it really?
Yeah.
We're at Super Target, John's favorite place. We just got these Oreo candy bars, and I was gonna vlog John eating it to see his reaction. He like put it in his mouth. There's a fox. Is it up there? Is that the chipmunk thing?
Has a top.
It has a top hat. Is that a reindeer that's like falling over? Hat. Is that a... That's a llama. Do you want a llama? So cute. Is that a duck? Oh, they're so cute. I would love one of those. Baby, you should surprise me with one of them. Come home with one. Oh, that's so cute. For where? I like the little one.
Well, compared to the snowman, that's really unrealistic.
Unrealistic? What do you mean?
Clearly, if this is the size of a snowman, this is not the size of a reindeer.
But, well, neither is a reindeer.
Yeah, it is.
Unless it's like a really big one.
That's better, at least.
I don't know.
It's a big.
You want one? Ooh. Stars.
No.
Mine is getting better. Light up. What the hell? Stay lit up. Do you want stockings? We don't have stockings. In the stairs, like how I wanted it.
What are we hanging on? What are we putting in there?
Nothing. They're just decorations. Shh. But earlier, I'm gonna have hot chocolate too. Alright. He didn't even want to come to the decorations, now I can't find him. Did you find anything? Okay. Mom knows. I just found one of these pillows that I've always wanted to touch. The ones that like, if you just go like this, they change. So cool. Not my style though.
So energetic.
I told you.
My meat tenderizer.
Oh my god. What the hell? Where'd you get that from?
The meat tenderizer.
We don't even need one of those. Why did you just get that? Aren't they cool? They're not my style, but they're cool. Stop hitting me. Ikea! We just got to Ikea. We're probably gonna get some Ikea food for lunch. A little late lunch. It's probably like 2 or 3 now. And we're hungry. This is what we got. I usually get the, well, not usually, sometimes we split the salmon and the meatballs, but for the most part I get the fries with the chicken. And then this little cake with the marzipan. And then John got a salad. I've never seen you get a salad here. And you're drinking soda. But we love those meatballs. Love them. John was so mean. We just grabbed a blanket here, one of these generic beige ones, whatever. And he's like, oh,
shall we recreate?
He's like, off the backboard. I can't do it because I'm holding the basket. And he like bounced it from here into the bag. Jerk. He's like super red laughing at this. That's all you like from the kitchen? John comes to this really nice kitchen here. And I'm like, ooh, nice kitchen. What does he come to look at? That. We've just found some entertainment. Cool. We hit the jackpot. Not to find whatever we want in here. Really? That's the first thing you go for? What the hell? Design your own. Hi guys, it's already the end of the day, and if you want to go lay down in your bed. Or go downstairs. Hey guys, so like I was saying, he laid on the floor. You know who that is. And it's not John. Anyway, it's already the end of the day. I just uploaded my Malaga video, which if you haven't seen it, go check it out. There's only one more video left, so I'm so excited, and then I can upload the Vlogmas videos, yay! And then you guys will finally know what the hell I'm doing. But I just wanted to let you know that what happened today. So we ended up going to Ikea, and as you saw, I was like super excited about it. And well, we went to the Christmas section, as you saw, and then all the ornaments that I was looking for were sold out. Like, we could not find any that I liked. There were like some like regular ornaments, like bubbles, like regular circles, but they were like all over the store, but they didn't have those down there anyway. But they were just like red and maybe gold or something, but I was looking for like the white ones. They were all cleared out. I also wanted these like houses one, and these like stars, which apparently were made out of paper, and if I knew that, I probably wouldn't have gotten them, because I found that out because they had like a little display with them. But anyway, I couldn't find them. They were sold out. I asked the guy, and he's like, yeah, sometimes the app, which I was going by the Ikea app, it says that they have them, but they don't. They only apparently had 5 of those, like for example, the stars, and we couldn't find them anywhere. He's like, yeah, sometimes it lies, sometimes people are buying them, and sometimes they're in the store somewhere, maybe like as a return or something. So yeah, so that didn't work out. So I was a little bummed about that, because I kind of was basing off my tree idea, like decorating around that, and now I just kind of have to have a plan B, which we do. We'll probably go back tomorrow and get the tree. We didn't get it today, and then maybe go to like Crate and Barrel and see what they have there, since it's right next door to Whole Foods. We might get the little tree from Whole Foods, but maybe not. I don't know. We haven't decided on the tree yet. But anyways, I wanted to open my advent calendar. My battery is flashing, so it might die. I might have to like re-record this or discontinue after, but we're gonna open day number 9. Alright, so day number 9 has a big old number, and I was like, well, maybe it's like 25, which is like huge, and that looks like it has a big item, but it's not. It looks like a small box, so probably a candle. So let's open it up. Oh, maybe that's why it was made a little different. What is this? Smoothie and body polish. Interesting, I didn't even know they made these. So that's different on the candle. Maybe I'll get something else then. That would be cool. Oh, and if you're wondering if we got anything at Ikea, we did. I only had one thing in my bag, and that was that blanket John hit me with as a backboard. It's actually really nice. It's this really knitted beige blanket, and we've had it downstairs as we were watching Mad Men for dinner, of course. And yeah, it was nice and cozy, and I used it in the car on the way here to cleaned up my tears. Just kidding. No tears. But I was a little bummed, you know, that I wanted to get all the stuff. But it is what it is, and we'll figure it out. And it's just a tree. Oh, I also put the little, what is it called? The little lights around the little tree. And I think I probably either have inserted it or I will insert a little footage of me putting the lights. But I love it, so if we end up not getting a tree, I'm pretty happy that I had a little tree. It's been with us for a while. And it looks so cute with the little lights. So tomorrow, hopefully, I will decorate the tree if you get it, or not. Or I'll also show you guys me putting the wreath on the door because I haven't put it in because I want to vlog it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.